Still on the crime scene, Senseless, how police are describing the killing of a woman and wounding of 8 others at a bar on Granspan Road in St. Andrew last night. There is now a heavy police military presence in the area as fear grips the troubled community. And as Giovanni Dennis reports, Tuesday was a bloody day across the island.
2 gunmen entered Pokey's lounge and started firing shots indiscriminately.
A mass shooting in the literal sense of the phrase.
9 persons were shot. 1 person has unfortunately succumbed to the injury that she has received. The 8 others are currently in the hospitals receiving medical treatment. They are said to be in stable condition at this time.
The identity of the dead woman has not been released. 3 other women were shot and wounded in the incident that happened close to midnight. Now it's the latest in ongoing violence in the troubled Granspan area in the past year. There was a triple murder last September in the area following the killing of the brother of dancehall entertainer Jashi. There's now a strong police military presence following last night's attack as investigations continue.
There is no motive at this time for this senseless act, murder and shooting, but investigations continue, and we have increased our policing presence in the general Granspan area since this incident has happened, and this also includes assistance from the military as well.
4 firearms and more than 30 rounds of ammunition have been recovered in Granspan since the start of the year. Superintendent Services asking anyone with information to contact the police.
And I just want to reassure the residents of Granspan community and the surrounding communities as well that our #1 priority is to keep you safe.
And Tuesday was a bloody day across the island. Crime data shows 7 people were fatally shot yesterday. 11 others sustained bullet wounds in the attacks. The murders were recorded in the St. Andrew North, Kingston Central, St. Andrew South, St. Andrew Central, Kingston Western and Hanover Police Divisions. A taxi operator who was fatally shot along Mountain View Avenue and a security guard who was found murdered in Olympic Gardens were among the victims. 451 people have been killed in the island since the start of the year, compared to 515 over the same period in 2023, a 12.4% decline. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.